Experiencing internet problems with Simple Mobile? You're not alone. Since Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, occasional outages and configuration issues can occur. This video will guide you through the most common causes and how to fix them, focusing on outages, APN settings, and DNS issues. Let's get your connection back up and running. First, check for any reported outages in your area, since these are often network-side issues. If no outage is reported, we'll look at APN and DNS configuration fixes. If there are no reported outages, the issue likely lies within your device's settings. Start by verifying your APN access point name settings. Go to your phone settings, then Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. The correct APN should be set to Simple. Key APN settings include APN Simple, MMSC Amplia SMPL.MMS.MF Mobile 10, MN260, APN Type Default, MMS Supple, HIPROTO IPv4 IPv6. Incorrect APN settings are a very common reason for mobile data issues. Next, try changing your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google's 8.88.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1 for faster and more reliable lookups. You can do this in your Wi-Fi settings or mobile settings, private DNS on Android, or DNS settings under VPN network on iOS. You can also try carrier resets via USSD codes 4636 chess